This is Buck, approximately a 5-week-old male from High Desert Labradors, and we're going to run through temperament testing with Trent and see how Buck reacts to this. First thing we'll do is submission and dominance, and Trent's going to hold him on his back and we'll count and see how long it is before he wriggles and wants to get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, we made 10. That's good. Nice and passive reaction to that. Now we're going to do the walk away, where Trent's going to back off from the dog, and we'll see how Buck reacts to Trent moving away from him. Confident in himself, looks up, sees Trent still there, doesn't bother him at all. He's just going to do his own independent exploring. So active and neutral is his reaction in that sense. Now it's the beckon, where Trent will back away again and then call him and see how he reacts to this one.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Come here. Come here.
He's seen Trent, he's watching him, he knows he's there.
Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, good boy.
This fits with his independence
Come
again.
Here.
He's aware Trent's there and he just wants to have his own independence. That keeps him in the active category. So now sociability, let's see how he reacts to petting and being talked to.
Hi, boy. Hey, buddy.
Loves being handled, but still shows that independence in him.
Buddy.
Firmly in the active category for that, wants to explore his surroundings. Okay, there's another count coming up now for elevation forgiveness, is the dangle hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good
Excellent
boy.
response. Even for an independent dog like that, he's still confident in that dangle.
Boy.
Okay, the final one now, we're going to use a toy just to see if he's got any retrieve instincts at this early age.
Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Go on. Go get it. Go get it.
There we go. Knows the toy's there. There we go. He's on the toy.
Good girl.
And there's his independence coming out. Just wants to play with the toy. No retrieve at the moment, but that's not unusual. And that puts him in the neutral or passive. So this is Buck.